Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to construct a pie chart. Before constructing it, first of all we need to know what is pie chart. Basically it is a graphical device of circular shape broken into slices, or we can say that subdivisions. These subdivisions are called sectors. Here I have a dataset of salaried employee and his expenditures on these components, which are food, house rent, clothing and education. Expenditure on food is 1200, on house rent is 1000, on clothing is 500, and on education is 300. First of all, for constructing a pie chart we need to draw a circle of any radius. Here I have drawn a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now it's up to you, either you want a big circle or a small circle. Now for the slices of pie chart or subdivisions or sectors, we compute our angles, which is equals to component value divided by whole quantity multiplied by 360. These all are our components and these are its values, and here is the whole quantity. So we substitute all these values in the given formula. For food, 1200 divided by 3000 multiplied by 360, which is equals to 144 degree. For house rent, 1000 divided by whole quantity, which is 3000 multiplied by 360, is equals to 120 degree. For clothing, 500 divided by 3000 multiplied by 360, which is equals to 60 degrees. For education, 300 divided by 3000 multiplied by 360, which is equals to 36 degrees. Now we are going to draw all these angles here. First of all, for food, I am going to draw an angle 144 degrees, which is somewhere here. Now for another angle, we use this line as our base. Next angle is of 120 degrees for house rent. Now for third angle, we will start drawing an angle from here, which is of 60 degrees. 60 degrees somewhere here. Now this area must be equals to 36 degree, which is for education. Yes, it is. Now remove excess part. Here I have made a key to show all these components with different colors so a layman can understand easily. Our pie chart is ready. We can also show these slices with the help of percentage so the layman can understand more easily. We can clearly see that most of the expenditures of our employee is on food, then on house rent, then on clothing, and the least expenditures are on education. We can also compute percentages of it, which is by simple formula, which is component value divided by whole quantity multiplied by 100. For food, 1200 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 40%. 40% of this employee's expenditure are on food. For house rent, 1000 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 33.33%. Approximately 33% of his expenditure is on house rent, 16.67% of his expenditure are on clothing, and only 10% of his expenditure are on education. So you can see how easy it is to construct a pie chart. If you want more videos from my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can notify whenever I upload any new video. Allah Hafiz.